what they call him, but he's like a director of the school. And
Was that Bryant? Was it Bryant Joy?
Brian
No.
No.
Golden,
Okay.
Golden.
Mr. Golden.
He's our vocations manager.
Vocation, look,
Yes,
right.
sir. And he said, "Sorry, son, at this time, the trade is full." So hotel and lodging came in mind, and he told me and said, "Well, there is another option for you. You know, we just opened up this trade, and you can get into hotel and lodging." And I said, "You know what? I can see myself doing that because I love being around people.
Right.
I like talking. I like meeting new people, and also I like traveling. So it works
And
out
getting
for the
paid
best."
for it.
Yes, sir.
That's the thing about it. You're doing something that's positive, and you're getting paid for it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
See.
So
So
took
what
that
what
route.
about brothers and sisters? And tell us about your family.
my family, originally from West Africa, like I said, mother and father. They came here in 1990, I believe. And I have two older brothers. One of them name is Brima. The other one name is Vandy.
Right.
Basima family.
Right.
And I'm the baby.
Oh, you the
Yes,
oh
sir.
my, he's
Baby.
spoiled in it, Joy.
I'm the baby.
The baby's all. Hey, don't feel bad. I was the baby too. I used to use that word.
Yeah, I'm the baby.
You know. Okay, well, tell us now the field itself. What do you like most about the hotel lounging curriculum?
Well, I like the fact that, you know, I get the, you know, be in a hotel. I can work in an actual hotel and I can just be myself. You know, I don't have to be anybody else. I mean, there's just different options that I can be in. Like front desk, work in the back room, housekeeper, cruise lines.
Right. So actually, this program at Job Corps fill a void in your life that you will never forget because you were sort of floundering and you didn't know. But this program that Joy Stevenson here, the coordinator, that she's working with all of you at Job Corps is very, very positive because from that you have developed a career. Is that correct?
Yes. Yep. A career that I'm happy and I feel like I'm going to be successful.
You have to be positive about it. Like you said, you feel that you're going to be successful with this program.
With this program,
right?
correct.
And so, what's the best part of the program that you enjoy with the people preparing? It's different phases of it that you like better than others.
I can't lie, as being with Ms. Stevenson on Mondays, faith-based Bible study.
Is
You
that
know,
right?
Yeah, I can admit, you know, sometimes I have my on and off days. You know, I'll be away from it for a while, and then it's just like a call, and God will tell me, you need to come back. And I come back, and it's no turning back now. I'm there. So I feel like it's time for a change.
Well, what about your peers?
My peers?
What do you tell them? The guys that, they either talk down the program or what do you tell them about Job Corps?
I tell them that if you feel as though, I mean, there's nothing else that you can do. Like, you don't want to be in college or you don't have a high school diploma. If you just want to do something like hands-on or just be a lot more active, you don't want to be in the books all the time. I mean, Job Corps is a place to be. I feel like you can be real successful there.
Yeah. Right. Well, they have a terrific success program with that. We had the gentlemen on in culinary, and they actually cooked a meal on the Ed Brown show. And the staff, they keep asking me, "Will you invite the culinary group back again?" Because they really prepared a full course meal. And one gentleman was success. He came back on the show. And I tell this story because I think young people need to know when you get involved in these things, you put your heart in, it pays off. Now, he wanted to travel. So what he did, most chefs, they don't like to travel. You know, they rather get into a restaurant or someplace or a hotel and stay. Well, he went to the cruise line, and inside of a year, you know what he did? Inside of a year, he saved $40,000, and he and he went around the world a couple times, and he was a real success up from that program with culinary. $40,000. He's never had that much money in his life in one time. You know, $40,000, and the program at Job Corps was the cause of it. And just like this hotel program that you're talking about. And what I'm saying basically is that they've done so many things for the young people at Job Corps. Mr. Barton, I mean, spiritually, like Joy was saying, and this is my #1 project is with Job Corps, because I feel that young people, you are the future.
Yes.
And we have to make sure that you have the opportunities maybe we didn't have. You see what I mean? So take advantage of the opportunity, and like I was saying, and tell your peers, you know, and don't worry about peer pressure, you know, because you always have that. You know, in my situation, my brother and I, they call us squares, you know, because we didn't drink or smoke, you know. I said, okay, fine, you know. I don't want to do that, you know what I mean? And what you do, you make new friends, you know. If the old friends don't want to go along with your program, you say, nice knowing you, and move on with your life, because you're the one that have to pay for anything that you do. Your peers, if you read in the paper many, many times, where people associate it with the wrong people. And when you do that, you pay in the future. Right. Joyce, tell us about the program, where it's going, and how long you think they're going to continue with it.
Wow, well, I pray it continues forever, because it has made a tremendous difference in the lives of our students. And we consistently are hiring staff that want to help. I have one teacher that helps me now. He's an English teacher, Mr. Emerson. And then we have several other staff members, electrical wiring instructors that are willing to volunteer their time as well.
Okay, so any student out there, young person that wants to get involved with Job Corps, I think we have the email address that's going to be in the screen and everything. I want to congratulate both Carol and Fume on this, their choice of going to Job Corps and being successful like they are. And tell your peers about it, because Job Corps is something that we need to continue. And I want to congratulate, like I said, Mr. Barton, Mr. Stevenson, and the students that have been on the program here. And what I want to do, I want to bring you back, you know, when you reach that pinnacle, you know what I mean? That success that you can tell people about how Job Corps has been very positive. Okay, I'll see you next time.